Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Thursday, July 11, 2024. Right now it's 10:04. So today let's just start with the future open overnight. So as we can see here, that overnight the future open, and so yesterday had a very strong run. The future open, but it has not been able to touch either side. So basically, it's got contained within the range here. If we look at it, when we get to 8:30, it's right at the edge of this zone. And upon the CPI data release, it certainly kind of went up, and it's pretty powerful. If we look at it, it cut through here, and apparently it cut through here. It run two pretty much it run two kind of a consecutive thing. So from there, the thing is that later it slid down and it came back down here. It did not kind of give back everything, so it did not cut through two. So that's still a good sign. And here is it get to this edge again, and it cut through and go to the upside here. And the things looks I would say it looks pretty good. But the best sign is here, that kind of cutting through down here. It's like a folding knife here. It cut through here really quickly, and if we look at here, it cut through another one. It's like two, and here is another one, like a three. So that's a really bad sign as to kind of like the how weak the market it is, and also how powerful the downforce exerting it. And as we can see, it could not kind of come back up here. And if this is on SPX, like SP 500 index, and if we look at it in the morning, actually, after the open, it was not, it kind of opened flat, right, or slightly higher, but pretty much kind of flat. And but the thing is, it was not able to touch the upper end here, this cyan line, and this is like corresponding action here, which is cutting through this one and twice, here. But on the future side, and apparently it looks more obvious, it's cutting through like a 1, 2, 3, right? So here is still pretty bad. One is that it did not really touch the upside here. The second thing is that this is kind of a sign of weakness itself, and here is cutting through like a folding knife, and apparently there's another one that cutting through over the kind of like the folding knife and it went all the way down to the middle of previous day. It just everything here just happened so quickly. So and then when it come back, it wasn't able to touch the upper edge here any longer. And if we look at it later, it keep kind of crunching through. Actually, there's another one here, and then another one here. But the point is that it was not able to touch the upside here, and until here it touched the upside here, but quickly it dropped back down, and it touched the upside here again, and then followed by another touch down and making another this one, and then here come back, it gonna touch again, and then it hit it again. It almost feel like the market kind of like falling apart and going even further down, but magically at this level it's where typically it's kind of like the like a reversions happen. So it came back, and so usually I think that in this case it coming back, it could possibly come back to the middle, right? But apparently that's wrong. It's later after kind of going back, cutting back here, touching this upper side, it basically kind of just chopping like chopping around, and it's not able to go above touch the upper edge or lower edge here. So at the end of the day, it closed right around the middle of this, like the high point of this, and the low is here. And another way to look at it is it closed 49 points below yesterday's close, and 49 points actually that was the range of yesterday. So it's pretty interesting. So we have to go tomorrow. Apparently this looks kind of really damaging, and tomorrow is, let's see. So it basically gave back everything that it did like yesterday, and still more. So tomorrow, so today it ran like how many points? So it ran like a 65 points and 92. Basically it's like 66 points. So I believe tomorrow it should run at least like 30 points, probably about 33 points. And that would means that it would go back down, it could continue to go down to 55.50 level, or coming back to the middle here, that 56.10 ish, this level. So we shall see. In terms of the calendar, so tomorrow is a Friday, and Friday the first thing is the PPI data. So that's another important inflation data. And actually today the CPI data, I did not look at it in the detail, but it sounds like it was pretty good and supportive, but basically it seems like the money coming out, so it doesn't matter. So I guess tomorrow may be another really hard to say, and we need to see how they open, and how market kind of play out tomorrow. So this is like so at 8:30 that's like a PPI data come out, and then at 10 o'clock have a Michigan consumer sentiment, inflation expectation and things like that. And then at 12 o'clock with the WASDE report, I'm not sure what is that. 1 p.m. that's the Baker Hughes oil rig count. So that's yeah, 8:30 that's another kind of a big moment tomorrow. So we shall see. And if I look at the options pricing perspective, it seems like tomorrow's move should be less. It says 27 points, but who knows, it could so right now definitely looks like tomorrow definitely looks like well, it could be another 40 points on the downside, 30 or 30 or 30 or 40 points on the downside. It will be interesting to see tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all and wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time.